Welcome to the Bank, where student living in Leicester reaches new heights. Nestled conveniently near Domino's Pizza, Leicester, the property offers stylish studios that redefine accommodation excellence. Housed in a former high street bank, these studios boast unique layouts that pay homage to the building's history. Enjoy the perks of city living without compromise with a plush bed, smart TV, private bathroom, and a modern kitchen that will make your life easy peasy lemon squeezy. This property also offers exquisite amenities like a spacious common room for chilling with pals and on-site laundry facilities. Rest easy with 24/7 CCTV and nighttime security. A mere 4-minute stroll to the University of Leicester and near Montfort University, it's not just a place to stay, it's a prime spot for academic success. Plus, the property is surrounded by the hottest spots in Leicester, from Subway to Augie Inn Restaurant and the Bellman Hotel. So why settle for ordinary when you can bank on extraordinary living at the bank? Book your home at amberstudent.com and upgrade your student life today.